Mm? Ja, no film esatta.
Nominees for the FIFA World Coach of the Year for men's football. Vicente del Bosque, coach of Spain. Pep Guardiola, former coach of FC Barcelona. Jose Mourinho, coach of Real Madrid. Who will be the FIFA World Coach of the Year for men's football 2012?
And once again, we would kindly like to ask Brazil coach Louis-Philippe Scolari to make the handover.
É com alegria, com muita satisfação,
with joy and great satisfaction, that the award is given to Vicente del Bosque.
Buenas noches.
Good evening,
En primer lugar, mis felicitaciones
and
a mis
first
colegas,
and foremost,
Guardiola y señor
congratulations to my colleagues,
Para mí
Mr.
un
Mourinho and
orgullo
Mr. Guardiola.
representar aquí al fútbol español, a
It
la
is an honor for me to
selección
represent Spanish football here in the Spanish
española. En primer lugar,
selection.
me gustaría
Well, first of all,
principalmente
I would
a todos los
like
jugadores que por aquí
to
de la selección española
thank
que nos
all
hacen a
the
cada uno de
players
nosotros
of
que
the
estamos a su
Spanish
alrededor
team
mucho mejores, mucho
who
mejores.
make us much
Son buenos,
better, all of us
tienen
who
un
surround
comportamiento
him. They have
excelente.
a
En segundo lugar,
outstanding behavior. It
agradecer a
is
toda la
indeed a
Federación
privilege
Española
to
de
be able
Fútbol,
to thank the Spanish
principalmente
Football
es
Federation,
natural, aquellos que
and
están
it
más
is
cerca de
natural
uno, que son
to
los técnicos,
commend those
¿verdad?
closest to oneself, the coaches, the technical staff. And in this very moment, I would like to remember that all the coaches I had in my career and who influenced me in my desire to become a coach, well, I'm remembering them very vividly. And I would like to share a thought with you. I think that all of us who are in football, who feel this passion, like the president of FIFA said, who feel this passion for football and the fascination. We want the same thing, we want to win, but I guess we're also called upon to protect football, to take good care of football, and if possible, to convey the best ethical behavior and the best personal behavior also. Thank you very much.